Are you losing a lot of hair during wash days? Are you suffering from dry and brittle hair? Has your hair stopped growing? Do you have black spots on your head? Do you desire a longer, thicker, fuller and healthy hair? Then make this simple DIY yet potent and dry hair relief hair growth spray. It stops breakage, hair loss, it thickens the hair and it strengthens the hair follicles. It promotes healthy hair growth. Join me, let's make this DIY simple yet potent leave-in spray. You just need 4 ingredients for this recipe. This spray moisturizes and thickens the hair follicles, but you must be consistent and patient. Use it 3 times a week for effective results. Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here and this is the first time of seeing me, hello, welcome. But if you are a subscriber already, hi, thank you for coming back and it's good to have you here again. Please watch this video to the end and share it to your loved ones. So guys, let's dive into it. First of all, make sure you sanitize everything you are using. My first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary may increase blood flow to the scalp, which provide oxygen and vital nutrients to the hair follicles. This helps the hair follicles to receive what they need for optimal growth. Here I added 2 tablespoons of rosemary, and the next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek stimulates blood flow to the scalp and also nourishes the hair follicles to promote faster and healthier new growth. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help with dandruff and scalp irritations. I added 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, and our next ingredient is clove. Cloves boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. In addition to vitamin A, C and K, they also contain iron, magnesium and potassium. These not only add strength to your hair but also prevent it from falling out. In this place, I added 2 teaspoons of clove to my jar. Then I covered it and set it aside. Our next ingredient is carrots. Carrots are packed with vitamin A and vitamin E, both of which help improve blood circulation to your scalp. These in turn promote hair growth and protect you from premature graying. Carrots stimulate hair growth, prevent hair loss and split ends, strengthens and protect hair fibers, and promote scalp health. For this recipe, I will be using 1 medium carrot. So all you have to do is wash your carrots, then you grate it. I did not peel the back because most of the nutrients are in the back, because I later discovered that whatever grows from the ground has lots and lots nutrients in the back. So you go ahead and just grate it the way I did it in this video. So after grating it, then you go ahead and pour it inside the jar where we have fenugreek, cloves and rosemary. So once we add this carrot to that jar, then you go ahead and add hot water. In this place, I will be using 2 cups of hot water. So that is why I doubled the amount of everything I'm using. If you are using 1 cup of hot water, then you'll be using 1 tablespoon of each ingredient. Okay, but me, I decided to use 2 cups of hot water, so that's why I used 2 tablespoons. If you have watched this video to this extent and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Give this video a thumbs up for engagement here on YouTube and drop a comment down below. If you have any comment, questions or suggestions, and don't forget to share this video to whom you feel needs it. So guys, keep watching the video where I throw more light on the benefit of all these herbs for our hair growth. Rosemary contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Moreover, it even helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthens the hair. It can help with other hair issues such as split end and bring dandruff under control. As I mentioned before, fenugreek is a great source of vitamin A, B, C, K, protein, iron, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, folic acid, saffion, flavonoids, and many other components that are essential for healthy hair growth. Also, it has powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-fungal effects that maintain a healthy scalp environment, hereby promoting stronger hair growth. Fenugreek prevents hair loss, it revives damaged hair, it fights dandruff, it controls scalp inflammation, it adds shine and soft texture, it prevents premature graying of hair. Clove's bulk contain high level of antioxidants and nutrients such as vitamin A and C, and minerals like sodium, potassium, iron, and phosphorus. They are proven to boost hair growth. This herb is a great remedy that is used to smooth inflammation, stimulate blood flow, and reduce dandruff when applied to the scalp and hair. Cloves are the perfect choice if you want to thicken and strengthen your hair, because this recipe for hair growth is natural, cheap, and can be used in a variety of ways. If you are struggling with dandruff or dry and itching scalp, the vitamin K, egno, and beta carotene in clove will help repair your hair and will add remarkable shine. Here are some of the benefits you get while using clove for your hair growth. It will help you maintain a healthier scalp. It will soft and make your hair shiny. It prevents premature graying. It stimulates hair growth. After adding 2 cups of hot water into the jar, give it a good stir, then keep it in a dark place for 8 hours or overnight. So the next morning, bring it out, or after 8 hours, bring it out, shake it very well, then you filter it. As for the residue, don't throw it away, just save it. I will show you how to use it in the next video. After filtering, if you always forget to use oil as sealant, please, you can add a little drop of your hair growth oil or olive oil into this spray, just the way you saw me doing it. Because me, I added olive oil to mine, because sometimes I will just spray, use cream to rub and just go out. So if I'm my kind of person that always forget, then add oil into it. So after adding the oil, you give it a good stir, then your leave-in spray is ready for use. So how will you use this spray? You can use it as a pre-poo, which is just spray it all over your hair, massage your hair, cover your hair for like 10 to 15 minutes, then you wash your hair with shampoo. You can use it as a wrist out. After washing your hair and conditioning your hair, you now use this one as hair wrist. Then you style your hair to any style you want. Then lastly, you can use it as a leave-in spray. After applying it on your hair, go with your conditioner, then go with your sealant. Haven't done that, we have come to the end of this video. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If so, let me know in the comment section below. See you all in the next one. Bye and stay blessed.